Welcome to today's discussion on a crucial strategic issue that has far reaching implications for India's national security, specifically the limits of air power. In light of recent geopolitical conflicts, this analysis is not just relevant but essential for UPSC aspirants. The dynamic nature of warfare, especially observed in the Russia Ukraine and Israel Iran conflicts, reveals that mere possession of a powerful air force does not guarantee victory. Such insights challenge us to consider the complexities surrounding air power and its efficacy in modern warfare. The first major limitation to consider is the denial of airspace. During the Ukraine conflict, Russia deployed a much larger air force but failed to achieve total control over Ukrainian skies. Ukrainian air defense systems significantly thwarted Russian air operations. For India, this highlights a pressing concern. China, with its technologically advanced air force and robust missile systems, presents a formidable challenge. Hence, we must not assume that air superiority will be easily attained. Airspace denial is a critical factor in modern conflict scenarios. Next, we must address the point that air dominance does not instantly translate to victory. Superior air power can be neutralized by well coordinated ground forces, missile offensives, and asymmetric warfare tactics. The lesson here is clear: controlling the skies might facilitate a tactical advantage, yet it alone does not ensure the success of military operations, particularly when faced with resilient adversaries who can adapt and fight back despite aerial superiority. Furthermore, we cannot overlook the financial implications of modern air warfare. The steep costs associated with advanced fighter jets and interceptor missiles require strategic allocation of resources. Low cost drones emerging as potent tools against high value targets complicate this landscape, leading to a challenging cost exchange ratio that modern militaries must navigate. These factors intersect notably with the concept of theatreisation in India, which strives to unify the Army, Navy, and Air Force under integrated commands. Operational flexibility remains paramount. The capability to relocate assets in response to shifting operational landscapes is vital, especially considering India's unique challenges on the Pakistan and China fronts. Each front presents distinct geographical and operational dynamics, demanding adaptable command structures. In conclusion, as we navigate these strategic complexities, it is imperative for India to understand the limitations surrounding air power. The future of theatreization hinges on the ability to maintain operational flexibility while effectively planning and executing joint military operations against the backdrop of evolving security challenges.